Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I will be showing you guys what to do if your PlayStation Vita is frozen. So as you can see, my PS Vita right here is completely frozen. I tried to launch up the Core custom firmware and it pretty much got frozen on it. I can't back out, I can't press start or select or anything like that. So if your PS Vita is actually frozen like this, the first thing you want to do is just hold down the power button and just keep on holding it until the screen goes black. So just like that, keep on holding it as well, and eventually your PS Vita will be completely powered off. Now once it is completely powered off like this, what we have to do is just go ahead and hold the power button again. Okay, now once it is powered on, what you can do is just check it and make sure it is okay. If it powers into safe mode, what you can do is just do restart the PS Vita and it will restart. Now with mine, I'm pretty sure a plugin or the SD to Vita was causing it to freeze. So I'm going to try and do exactly the same thing again, and we're going to see if it encounters the same issue. So last time, as soon as I clicked X on yes, it ended up freezing, and there you go. This time it seemed to have worked. So if you do encounter these issues, make sure to just power it off, power it back on again, and you might get lucky. And with me, I'm pretty sure it froze because I had two plugins installed. I accidentally installed a few plugins, this one right here, so I'm just going to delete this. So yeah, if you have any plugins which are duplicates, make sure to go ahead and delete them. Delete that one as well. And there was one more, I'm pretty sure. Actually, maybe that's alright. Okay, I think it was just those two. Okay, so there you go. I'm also going to just remove them from the kernel. So actually, maybe they are removed. I think no LED. I need to delete this one. Also need to delete this one. And there is one on the main. This one right here, so I'll delete that one as well. Okay, so there you go. I'm just going to save that, and I'm pretty sure those were the plugins that caused my PlayStation Vita to freeze, because I had them installed on the UXO, and I also accidentally installed them on the Euro, and that was just an auto plugin. And yeah, now it should be working fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to reboot our PS Vita and just try again, just to make sure we do not get the same issue. So I'm just going to press start in Vita Shell, go down to reboot, and hopefully that should work fine. Okay, so it has rebooted again. Let's just try this one more time, and hopefully we will not get any kind of error. So let's go to Core, let's just go ahead and load this up, and hopefully we won't get any errors this time. And there you go, we seem to load into it completely fine, and I don't think it's going to crash. So yeah, pretty weird how we managed to actually get this error. I don't know how it happened, but I'm pretty sure it was actually to do with the plugins just causing my PlayStation Vita to freeze, and yeah, we seem to have fixed it. Now, if you guys are still having problems and you know it's nothing to do with your custom firmware, what I would recommend doing is just holding down the power button, waiting for the menu to come up, go ahead and just tap the power off. What we're going to do is we're going to try and enter safe mode. Now to do this, you have to hold the PlayStation button, left and right, and the power button. So just hold all of these in a combination, just keep on holding it, and you will actually boot yourself into safe mode. So as soon as you see the PlayStation button, you can actually just let go of everything, and there you go, we're in safe mode. So we've got restart the system, that is the one I use, rebuild database, format memory card, restore the system. I wouldn't do the last one, but if you are having loads of problems and it keeps on, you know, freezing, I would recommend doing a system restore. Obviously I'm not going to, because I managed to fix it. I think mine was just a one-time issue, so the one I'm just going to use is just restart the system, and that should just fix common errors and just restart your PS Vita. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. That is what to do if your PS Vita freezes. Also, if you have an SD to Vita, I would recommend taking it out and just giving that a quick clean. That is another way you can actually sort this issue out. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.